12 years, 12 Independence Day speeches, and for the first time, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised the RSS from the ramparts of the Red Fort, a glowing tribute now igniting a political firestorm. Take a look at this report.
"12 years, 12 speeches, but not one word about the RSS until now. For the first time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi broke that silence, and not with a passing remark, but with a glowing tribute. Calling the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh one of the world's biggest NGOs, crediting it for nation building, saying it has served India for 100 years, and that he was honoured to salute their service on Independence Day.
सेवा, समर्पण, संगठन और अप्रतिम अनुशासन जिसकी पहचान रही है, ऐसा राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ दुनिया का ये सबसे बड़ा एनजीओ है। एक प्रकार से 100 साल का उसका समर्पण का इतिहास है।
But that praise has set off a political firestorm. Both Congress MP Manikam Tagore and AIMIM chief OAC called this tribute an insult to freedom fighters. They accused the RSS of standing aloof from the independence struggle and of spreading division, not unity. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav hit out too, stating that the RSS was neither secular nor socialist.
संघ का और उनके परिवार के लोगों का जो संघ परिवार है, उसका रास्ता सेकुलर और सोशलिस्ट नहीं है। ये मुंह से तो हैं स्वदेशी, लेकिन मन से नहीं, मन से विदेशी हैं।
The words got sharper, the fight got personal.
It is unfortunate because the same RSS was banned by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He has not just undermined one of India's foremost freedom fighters, Vallabhbhai Patel, who had banned the RSS. His attempts to legitimize it will fail because this is the same organization that inspired India's first terrorist to kill Mahatma Gandhi.
Nonetheless, the Prime Minister's effusive praise for the RSS has gone a long way in quashing rumours of a rift with the Sangh chief, even though it has come at the cost of a political firestorm. Bureau Report, India Today.